NEO provides a powerful gradebook that makes it easy for teachers to grade assignments and analyze results. The gradebook offers an overview of students' results for all the assignments within a class. Assignments are listed at the top of the gradebook. In the left column, you can see all the students enrolled in the class. The next columns show exceptions for each student and assignment, such as missing, excused, absent, and incomplete. Also here, you can see the overall score and grade for each student. You can rearrange the gradebook by using sorting options and by selecting assignment category filters. Grading assignments from the gradebook is a straightforward process. If a student submitted an assignment, it will be indicated with the edit icon. Teachers can see the submission by clicking the submission icon in the upper left corner of the gradebook cell. To grade the submission, click on the cell and enter the grade. You can add comments when grading by double-clicking on the cell. After you enter the comment, click Post and Save. To enter an exception, click on the flag icon in the bottom left corner of the cell and select one of the available options. The changes are saved automatically. To revert them, click on the Undo button. You can also import grades or fill all the cells for the assignment with the same grade by selecting the options from its drop-down menu. Essay and Dropbox assignments can use rubrics to make grading more efficient. When you click the cell for an assignment that has a rubric, a pop-up will open where you can select the points for each criterion. The final grade is calculated by taking into consideration all the graded assignments of the student. There is an option that, if enabled, it allows teachers to override the final grade. To do this, click on the cell and enter the new percentage. To get an overview of how well students are doing in the class, click on the More icon next to each name. Here you can access the grade report and analytics for students. The analytics pop-up shows the grade distribution chart for the graded assignments. You can also access analytics for assignments by clicking the More icon of each assignment. Here you will see the grade distribution, the minimum and maximum values, as well as the average value. To see an overview of the analytics and grade distribution of all the assignments, click on the Analytics button. If you want to save the results and use them offline, click the Export button in the top right. You can choose between the XLS or CSV file formats. To configure the gradebook, click on the Settings icon. Here you can configure options such as the Grade Map dropdown, Condensed Mode, and more. Now you are ready to start grading assignments easily using NEO. Schedule a demo of NEO today to learn more about our innovative features.